Today we're going to be doing a bison ribeye. We're going to start it in the smoker, get it over for a sear onto the grill, and then finish the whole thing off with a nice Cabernet butter cream sauce. It's going to be incredible. My name is Rich. This is RACZ Barbecue and Grill. Stick around and let's get cooking. We're going to start these bison ribeyes. We're seasoning them up just like you do any other steak. And we're just going to keep things nice and simple. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. So let's talk about the bison steaks for a little bit first. This is a lean cut of meat. There's not a lot of intermuscular fat going on. They're a deeper red looking color. These actually are, I don't want to say they're a healthy steak, but they're healthier than your traditional beef cut. We're just going to start by seasoning these with some salt, some garlic powder, and some cracked black pepper. And we just want to do the same thing to all sides. Get our temperature probes put in place. And so we're going to be reverse searing these things, which just means we're going to put them into the smoker. We're going to bring them up to about 110, 115 degrees. Pull them out, let them rest. While they're resting, we're going to fire up the grill. Get that up to about 500, 550 degrees. Put a nice quick sear on that. During that time, it'll bring it up to 130, 135, right around the medium rare. That's where we want to be with these things. Because there's not a lot of fat in these steaks, they will cook faster, so you gotta really keep an eye on them because you can't overcook them. So watch your temperature. You watch your temperature and you'll be fine. So the smoker's preheating at 225 degrees. We'll get these in place. And we'll just let them ride till we hit 110, 115 degrees internal temperature, and we'll move on to the next step. For the sauce, we're just going to put in 3 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of Cabernet, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. We're just going to put this pot in the smoker along with the steaks and let that reduce down to about half and pull it out when it's done. Okay, the steaks are at 115 now, so we're going to pull them out, get them wrapped up and let them rest for a few minutes. Reduction sauce is looking good. We're gonna let that run a few more minutes. In the meantime, we'll get the grill turned on, set to 500 degrees. Once that comes up to temperature, then we'll put the steaks on and give them a nice sear. Okay, it's been a few more minutes now for the sauce. We'll pull that, let that sit out for a few minutes. We just want to strain our sauce, get those bits of garlic out of there. Okay, we got the grill preheated to 500 degrees. We're gonna get the steaks on there, give them a quick sear. 2 minutes per side. Give them a quick spin here. This thing should be just about done. We'll check our internal temperature. 139, a little bit higher than I wanted, but that'll be okay. Get these off and into the house because it's raining now and I'm getting soaked. Okay, steaks are done. It's raining outside, but we're gonna slice these things open, plate them up, and get the sauce on top of them, see what we ended up with. Start with this guy here. There we go, nice medium rare. Get this over on the plate. And just get a little bit of our Cabernet butter sauce, ran right down the middle. Okay, it's time to taste this and see how we did. And while I'm eating, check this list up here for other dinner ideas. This stuff is fantastic, man. The bison has a little bit of a sweet flavor to it. Top that off with the Cabernet butter sauce. And this is a home run, man. This stuff is awesome. As always, thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing, and we'll see you guys next time.